Good morning, dear students. I, Ravi Taylor, on behalf of Bharati Public School, welcome you all in this video session. Today I shall continue your 8th chapter, Misbil the Author by Gavin Maxwell. In the first part of this chapter, I told you that the writer Gavin Maxwell is basically from Europe. While traveling to southern Iraq, he had a wish, craving in his mind to keep an otter as a pet. Earlier he had a dog as a pet and the dog died. He casually mentioned it to one of his friends that he wanted to have a pet. He wanted to have an otter. His friend's suggestion was he should get it from Tigris marshes, as otters are found in abundance there, and often Arabs tame otters there. Later on, he had to go Basra to get mail from Europe. Due to some problem, he had to stay there, and there he got a gift from his friend, and the gift was undoubtedly an otter. Now, let us read more about the bond between the writer and the otter, Misbil. With the opening of the Sheikh began a phase of my life that has not yet ended and may not end before I do, for all I know. With the opening of the Sheikh gifted by my friend was when opened. With opening of that Sheikh, a phase of my life began that has not ended yet. And for all I know, as much I know, it may not end. It will not end before I do it, before I end it. It is, in effect, basically it is a thraldom. This phase is under control to otters. This phase of my life is under control of the otters and otter fixation, an attachment with otters that I have since found to be shared by most other people who have ever owned one. In effect, basically, it is a thraldom. This phase is under the control to otters. This is an otter attachment that I have found to be shared by most other people who have ever owned one. The people who have ever owned, who have ever possessed an otter as a pet, who have ever had an otter as a pet, would share the fixation, the thraldom which I have with the otters. In this paragraph, the writer talks about the phase, the time which starts with the otter, and he says that the time which he spent with the otter was completely under control of the otter. In this time, he had great attachment with the otter, and not only the writer, others who have ever possessed an otter would feel the same fixation, would feel the same attachment. The creature that emerged from the Sheikh onto the spacious tiled floor of the consulate bedroom resembled most of all a very small, medievally conceived dragon. The creature that emerged, that came out from this Sheikh, the creature, the animal that came out of the Sheikh onto the spacious tiled floor of the consulate bedroom. Where did it emerge? It emerged on the spacious tiled floor of the consulate bedroom, looked like most of all a very small. It was very small, medievally conceived, imagined in medieval time, dragon. It is imagined that in medieval time there used to be an animal named dragon. It is assumed, it is imagined. And this animal, which has emerged from the shape, looked like a small dragon. From the head to the tip of the tail, he was coated with symmetrical pointed scales of mud armor. This animal, from head to the tip, was covered with mud armor. Armor is a protective layer, protective cover. So he was coated with mud, between whose tips was visible a soft velvet fur. Between whose tips was visible a soft velvet fur skin, like that of a chocolate brown mole, and his skin resembled with a chocolate brown mole. Mole is also an animal. Now the writer talks about the appearance of the otter when it first emerged from the shake. He says that from tip to the tail he was coated, he was covered with mud. In between his tip was visible a velvet fur-like skin. His skin looked like velvet, and it had skin similar to a chocolate brown colored mole. When he shook himself, when the otter shook himself, and I half expected a cloud of dust. What I expected from him when he shook himself was a lot of dust, a cloud of dust. But in fact it was not. For another month. For another month it did not shook cloud of dust. The dust kept sticking to the otter. It took me a month that I managed to remove the last of the mud. To remove the last of the mud, it took me a month. And see it as it were in his true colors. To see the otter in his true colors, I had to for a month. For a month, it kept covered with mud. I took a month to remove the complete dust.